Hello, it's me, Joshua Harrell with Travel West Network and World Via, and I am in Aurora, Colorado. I know say that very weird. I am in the Gaylord Rockies Resort and Convention Center. I am in room, hold on a second, I already forgot what room I'm in. Let's see. 10332. All right, so I am in 10332. This is a very big property. It's got a lot going on in the convention center. It's nice, wide open spaces. I do love the Gaylord properties. I've been to a few now. Anyway, if you've been to Denver, it's very near the Denver airport. So if you've been to Denver, you know it takes a while to get from the airport to Denver. So coming here, it was pretty fast, a very, very quick ride. So I'm going to show you my room. So this is a room tour, room 10332, Gaylord Rockies Resort and Convention Center. And so let me show you the room. All right, here we go. We've got closet space, which I haven't moved into yet. And believe me, I'm here for 5 nights, so I've got a lot to do. But kind of normal setup if you care about closets. I don't know what this is down here. Oh, it's just extra linen. That's all it was. It was extra linen. Iron, hair dryer, luggagey thing, safety thing. So good there. A nice sized closet for a lengthy stay. Coming into here, I'd like to invite you to my little mini bar. Look at this. Yeah. You could even do kind of like your last looks. Put all your perfumes and colognes. You could lay them out and just kind of do last looks, maybe. I don't know. Let's see, little tiny coffee maker. All right, with all the coffee business and the teas. That's kind of nice. Let's see, we got a little serving tray. This is my first time using this camera, by the way, just so you know. So there we go, serving tray, and then you got the little fridge. There's nothing in it, so you would have to stock that yourself. I know, that's when you can tell you're becoming a little bougie. I'm very fortunate. I get to stay in all-inclusive so much that when I stay at just a normal, wonderful resort isn't all-inclusive, I'm like, why is there not Perrier in my fridge? Now I'm bougie. I'm absolutely bougie. Anyway, all right, moving on. Let's go. I love how modern the space feels. I also love that there's little touches of Southwestern elements to the design. So while the space feels very, very modern, very open, very bright, here we go. Showery thing, which this kind of setup is showing up everywhere, where it's the little, well, that's not moving at the moment, but I mean sliding glass doors. I don't know what's a challenge. Nice little shower. There we go. Little earthy artwork here. But this is what I'm talking about with the Southwest feel, which I think is pretty cool. So here's the sink area. Again, nice bright lighting. But they've got a little Southwestern etching into the glass where the light's coming through. I think that's so neat. Normally when you see something like this, I feel like it looks, I don't want to say kitschy, but it has more of a rustic look. So the fact that it's in such a modern environment, good job, Gaylord Rockies. A little hard to say. So I've got double beds, sleeping single in a double bed. Is that how that goes? I don't know. Maybe. I don't know the song. Again, I love the Southwestern elements. I don't know. It's not really Southwestern because we're in Denver, right? But that to me says Southwestern. I don't know. It has a very earthy feel to it, but yet it's very modern. So I'm going to do it just a quick spin. Again, this is my first time with this camera, so I'm trying to get different angles going on here. Just kind of going to give you a little spin around This is where all the work happens, all the magic happens, right? Lots of meetings and computery type things happening here. TV, very big drawers. You've got very big drawers. And then look, I'm here for a convention and I'm here for 5 nights. I have a lot of stuff. A lot of it is closed, but still, a lot of stuff. Look at this table. I know I'm not normally into all the interiors, but look at this table. It's got little leatherish, like buckles, like trunk buckles on it going down the legs. Isn't that kind of cute? Kind of clever. I like that. All right, so I'm on the 10th floor. It's pretty, I think there's maybe 12 floors here. So I'm pretty high up. What I love about this room is, I think the design, I love it. Has a mid-century modern vibe to it. Love it. Love the little southwestern accents. But look at this window. And I mean, Denver, this area is very, very flat. But look, I can see so much. So much. I don't know. And I'm high enough that I could be naked and, well, maybe they could see if I was standing in the window, which I would not be doing. But I'm just saying, like, wide open spaces. I love it. And then if you look, let's see if I can get the camera to do this for me. If you look out there, there's little water park. I don't even know if I'm really showing you the water park there. Let me see. Let me come over here. All right. There, little water park action over there. Then there are tennis courts and basketball courts out there. Yeah, and a whole convention center. So I'm here for quite a large conference. There's going to be several thousand people here. So I like having a lot of space. And in the lobby area, it's such a huge open area atrium. And there's lots of little nooks and crannies for you to hang out and find, spots to hang out with friends or, people that you just met. No judging here, right? Let's meet as many people as we can when we're at a conference. So this is the Gaylord Rockies Resort and Convention Center in Aurora, Colorado, just outside of Denver and very near the Denver airport. Just checked in. This is a room tour. Again, I'm Joshua Harrell with Travel Quest Network World Via. Having a great time. Wish you were here. See you next time. Oh, and you know what? If you like these tours, let me know in the comments what I should tell you about, what you're more curious about. Do you want me to go down to the pool area and have a little splashy time? I could do that. You decide. You choose my adventure, okay? So until next time, wish you were here. Bye.